Good morning, ma'am. I am Ria from PhobiaCDS and my registration number is 22112033 and this is my NoSQL CAC project submission. My project is a shoe inventory management website which I achieved using the Flask framework. The first few lines of code is me linking my local MongoDB server to the framework. To achieve that, I used MongoDB Compass and made a connection, after which I created a database called shop, in which I made a collection called products. This is the collection which stored all the documents and details of the shoes in the inventory. My website performs many functionalities, in which the first functionality is displaying all the products in the front homepage. This displays all the products, and then there are functions to add more shoes, to update the existing shoes, and delete the shoes if required. There are also functions to help the user, which would be the employee, to search for the product and then get a result of the search query inputted. The employee can also filter shoes according to the color. And there is also a button which summarizes the total number of shoes in the inventory and also provide a summary of all the different types of shoes which is grouped and aggregate count is displayed. So the index is where all the products are displayed. So to achieve that, I use the find command and find all to display all the products. The function add product uses insert one command to add more products in the database. Delete product uses delete one function. Update product uses the update. First, it finds the ID of the shoe, and then using update one, updates the change in information performed by the user. The search uses the find function. Even the filter by color uses the find function. The summary uses the aggregate pipeline functionality of MongoDB to display the aggregate count of the number of shoes in the inventory. Let's run this program to see the web application. So I named my application Shoe Shack. In the homepage, as we can see, all the shoes in the inventory. Now we can add new shoes. So we can give a unique ID. So let's give 800. And let's take this shoe, for example. So it's a running shoe. So let's give product name as running. The color was red. The brand was a Puma shoe. Let's enter a price and provide the image URL to display the product image. So by copying the image address, we can then click on submit. And if we scroll down, we can see the shoe which we just added. And we can always update the shoe. So the product ID we gave the shoe we just entered was 800, and it fetches all the information of the shoe. And if I want, I can change the price and update. And as we can see now, the price has been updated from 95 to 90. I can also delete the shoe of my choice. So for example, if I want to delete the shoe, it removes the shoe from the inventory, and the rest of the shoe is displayed. The summary button shows the summary of all the products in the inventory. It displays the total number of shoes and total number of different types of shoes in the inventory. So for example, sneakers, there are 7 different shoes in sneakers. Now, back to inventory takes us to the home page, and we can search by the product name. So we can take sneakers, and all the sneakers in the inventory is displayed. We can also filter by color. So now when I selected white, any shoe which contains the word white in the color key will be displayed. And again, there's a button to go back to the inventory. And that is the functionalities my website is able to perform. To get the front end, I created several HTML pages, and each button is linked to the HTML page, which displays an output and a new page. Thank you.